Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about collective behavior and important question from human behavior, theories of personality and social psychology. And before starting, I'm so sorry that I was unable to upload video yesterday due to some technical errors. So now we can start the class. Collective behavior. The term collective behavior refers to group behavior that is apparently not guided by usual norms of conduct. So there is one definition which was given by N.J. Smeller. Collective behavior may be defined as the relatively unorganized pattern of social interaction in human groups. Say for example, if we consider a normal classroom situation in a university, students arrive more or less on time. They seat themselves in an orderly way, they listen to lecture, take notes, ask questions at appropriate points and finally leave classroom when the lecture is over. Everyone practices a predictable fashion. But suppose a fire suddenly break out in the classroom. Confusion prevails everywhere and the normal pattern of behavior get immediately disrupted and the social behavior become unstructured and unpredictable. So, sociologists use the term collective behavior to refer to such a type of behavior. Moving on to characteristics of collective behavior. First one, collective behavior is temporary in nature and is entirely an unplanned one. Second one, not regulated by any set of rules or procedure. And last one, it is unusual event. Collective behavior is categorized into two. First one, crowd behavior and second one, mass behavior. Moving on to mass and mass behavior. A mass is not same as crowd. A group of spectators watching a cricket match constitute a crowd, but a large number of people who watch same at home on TV constitute a mass. And mass behavior is unorganized, unstructured, uncoordinated, and individually chosen behavior of masses. Moving on to crowd. A crowd is a group of people who are physically close together and share a common concern. Say for example, a group of passengers at bus stop is considered as the form of a crowd. Moving on to the theory of crowd, there are mainly two theories for crowd behavior. So first one is considered as the contagion theory and which was proposed by Laban. He suggests that collective mind forms in a crowd and with this conscious personality of the individual member almost disappear. And since nobody notices what anyone says or does in a crowd, one's personal belief become less important. And the collective is formed from contagious growth of a belief that is suggested and spread throughout the crowd. Moving on to second theory, the emergent norms theory, it says that there are considerable difference in motives and action of crowd members. Some of people are present in crowd may be more impulsive while others are passive supporters. And the crowd are guided by norms, but the norms are devised and the crowd goes along. And new norms emerge in course of social interaction. And the crowd itself evolves the norms and then enforces them on its members. So these all are the major theories of collective behavior and we need to check more questions from human behavior, theories of personality, social psychology and types of communities. First one, which of the following is not the part of hierarchy of needs described by Abraham Maslow? The right answer is option 4, normative needs. Who among the following has developed the concept of inferiority complex? The right answer is option number 2, Adler. Next one, cognitive need of human being are the needs. Right answer, to know, to understand and to explore. That is option D. Next one, Electra complex is a situation found in. Right answer option C, phallic stage. The defense mechanism help individual cope with their internal and external state of anxiety and distress, which means option B is the right answer. Next one, identity versus role confusion is the task of. Right answer option D, adolescence. Next question is from communication. Encoding is essentially for. Right answer option A, sender. Next one, 12 years old Ashad need not be told that he had failed in his exam. On returning home, he could guess by the look on his father's face and his posture what his result was. This is an example of right answer option B, non-verbal communication. Emotional disorders in which an individual remains oriented to reality but suffer from chronic anxiety is option D is the right answer, neurosis. Next one, written or visual materials read or viewed primarily for the purpose of sexual pleasure is called right answer option B, pornography. Next one, Dash theory proponed that childhood experience influence the adult behavior. Right answer option B, psychoanalytic theory. Now we need to match list 1 with list 2. So here right answer is option B. Now we can check. First one, hallucination. The right answer from list 2 is false perception. Second one, bipolar disorder. From the list right answer, matching of bipolar disorder is second one, mood disorder. And third one, dementia. Right answer from list 2 is organic psychosis. And last one, eating disorder. Right answer is anorexia nervosa. Next one, who proposed client-centered therapy? Right answer option A, Carl Rogers. Next one, conscious is identified with. Right answer option C, super ego. Next question, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. So here right answer is option A, we can check now. Psychosocial theory, right answer from list 2 is Hamilton. Second one, psychoanalytic theory. Number 1, Sigmund Freud. Learning theory, option 4, Thorndike. Third one, behavioral modification theory. Second, Skinner, B.F. Skinner. Classical conditioning was propagated by right answer option A, Ivan Pavlov. And the part of mind that lies on reality is right answer option B, ego. Repression is also known as right answer option D, inhibition of threatening impulses. Social learning theory is associated with right answer is option D, all the above, which means Albert Bandura, Julian Rotter, and last one Walter Mischel, all are associated with social learning. Next one, emotional disorders in which an individual remains oriented to reality but suffer from chronic anxiety is right answer option D, neurosis. Next one, blocking a wish or desire from expression is termed as right answer option B, repression. Next one, match the following. First one, neurosis. So the right answer option 4, insecurity. Second one, school dropout, low achievement. C, aversion to food, poor mother-child relationship. And last one, daydreaming. Right answer is threatening reality. So from the option, right answer is option B. So next one is also match the following. So we can check creative thinking. It is novel thinking. Second one, convergent thinking, response based on reason. Third one, synergy, team spirit. And last one, kinesis, body language. Next one, grapevine communication relates to right answer option B, informal communication. Human life mostly influenced by right answer option B, family. Next one, match the following. First one, early childhood, that is second one, walking, decline age, adjusting to lost partner. C, late childhood, getting used to living away from parents. And D, adulthood, competency at work. So the right answer option A. Next one, which one of the following is not defense mechanism? Right answer D, confrontation. Next one, match the following theory with their proponents. So first one, phenomenological, right answer Carl Rogers. B, psychoanalytic theory, right answer option 4, Sigmund Freud. C, motivational theory, right answer option 2, Maslow. And last one, learning, which was by Skinner. Next one is also match the following. Now we can check. Pathos, right one, emotional appeal. Second one, logos, logic of speaker's argument. C, burnout. So the right answer is detachment from work. And last one, diffuse mechanism, defense mechanism. So the right answer is option 3, reaction to frustration. So the right answer from option is B. So first one, hydrophobia, which means fear of water. B, nectophobia. Second one, fear of darkness. And third one, acrophobia, fear of height, and last one, pyrophobia, fear of fire. Who said children have innate inclination to imitate their seniors both in mental and social development? Right answer option D, Baldwin. Next one, what factor influence a healthy growth of a child? Right answer option B, parents' balanced behavior. Next one, early experience determine late personality characteristics of social development. This was maintained by right answer option C, Freud. Next one, applied aspects of social psychology includes the development of perception of technique for measuring. Right answer is option A, attitude, and B, opinion. Next one, behavioral changes which occur in the basis of physiological development rather than learning and which appear in virtually all members of species are result of. Right answer option D, fermentation. Next one, considering punishment in an insult, how do adolescents react to it? Right answer option A, fear it very much. Next one, the child is born with some. Right answer option C, innate drive. So the child is born with some innate drive. And what is the result of emotional immaturity in the child? Right answer option C, frustration. Next one, psychoanalytic theory about human personality was proposed by. Right answer option C, Freud. Next one, the Mental Act was enacted in the year. Right answer option B, 1987. The learned behavior is believed to be found in. Right answer all of the above, which means man, dog, chimpanzee we can find learned behavior. Next one, who among the following associated with Gestalt therapy? Right answer option D, Pearl and Pearl. Next one, who gave the three-dimensional model of personality? The child, the adult, the parent. Right answer option C, Eric Berne. Next one, person-focused psychological process in social work aimed at. Right answer, counseling and therapy. Next one, detachment from work, inability to complete goal and emotional discharge is known as. Right answer option B, burnout. One of the following theory is known as growth-oriented theory. Right answer option B, client-centered theory. Next one, in classical conditioning, what happened to a neutral stimulus after it is associated with unconditioned stimulus? Right answer is option A, conditioned stimulus. Next one, emotionally intellectual person can, right answer option A, accurately perceive emotions. These all are the major questions from human behavior, personality and social psychology. Now we can check some other questions. Who has divided family into family of orientation and family of procreation? Right answer option C, Robertson. Among the following scholars has described tribal population as submerged humanity? Right answer option C, Dr. Das and others. Next one, the base of age pyramid in India is broad due to. Right answer option C, high birth rate. So next one, match the following. So patrilocal means living at bridegroom's residence, and second one matrilocal, which means living at bride's residence, and third one evangelical means living at bride's maternal uncle's residency, and last one neolocal means having on setup. So the right answer is option A. Next one, which of the following is not an agent of social change in India? Right answer option B, population growth. Which of the following is an anti-social element? Right answer option D, gang. Next one, who coined the term conjugal family? Right answer option A, William J. Joad. Next one, the concept of total fertility rate means. Right answer option D, the average rate of growth of population. Next one, which is the cause of poverty of small marginal and casual workers in rural areas of India? Right one, all the above, which means small land holding, low productivity and poor education based on lack of vocational skills. Next one, match the following. First one, monogamy. Monogamy means one husband, one wife. Second one, polyandry, which means one wife and more than one husband. Third one, fraternal polyandry, which means women marrying brother of husband, and last one, sororal polygamy. So husband marries sisters of wife. Right answer option C. One, service provided for weaker section of the society are called. Option D is the right answer, social welfare service. One of the following is not present in single parent family. Right answer, option B, step relationship. Next one, what percentage of seat in educational institution are reserved for scheduled caste in India? Right answer, option C, 15%. Next one, urban community development service in India was started by, right answer, option A, American Friends Service Committee. Next one, practice of untouchability is abolished by Indian Constitution under the article. Right answer, option A, Article 17. Last question for today's class. Denotified tribes are, right answer, option A, ex-criminal tribes. And thank you so much for watching my channel. And if you like the session, please like, share and subscribe.